Hello and welcome to another episode of GIS Answers. Today what we'll be looking at is my top 10 base maps and feature layers available in ArcGIS Online. So again, this is just my top 10. You'll have your own top 10, and if you want to post your ideas and your favorite layers down below, please do so. I'd like to know what everybody thinks, and I'm sure there's lots more out there, hundreds of layers that other people have as their favorites, but these are my top 10. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. So here we go. Number 10, ESRI Imagery Base Map. Quite often I'll use this satellite imagery as a base map in ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Online. It's streamed satellite imagery for the world, different resolutions and different ages for the data. And it's very useful. Perhaps you don't have aerial photography for your area, and this works quite well. It works well in ArcGIS Pro and in ArcGIS Online. The Topographic Base Map. The same thing. It's streamed in as a base map in ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Pro. Also, along with this is the World Hillshade, which is basically relief that is given to the topographic map. Very useful map, and I enjoy using this one. Number 8, Streets at Night. This is the ESRI Streets at Night base map. It has a really nice looking style, and I enjoy using this one. I've used this in several applications that I've made that relate to things occurring at night. Maybe, if there's Christmas lights, or if there's a tour of Christmas lights in a particular town. That's what I've used in the past. Or let's say there's perhaps a tour of Halloween decorations locations throughout the town. I've used this one. It's done. I really enjoy using this one for that. Number 7, U.S. National Park Service. So the U.S. National Park Service feature service through ESRI, through the online service for the entire United States, and that's quite useful. I've used that before too. Available in the Living Atlas. Live stream gauges by ESRI. So this is a feature service provided by ESRI, and it's stream gauges throughout the world. This is just a screenshot of the United States and Canada. The sources range from like the USGS, NOAA, various departments of forestry, conservation authorities, Environment Canada, a wide range of agencies, government agencies that provide this data in a live format, and quite often it will be like 15 to 20 minutes updated every 15 to 20 minutes. So a very valuable source, and as you can see in the map, the light blue dots represent the stream gauges, and we'll be looking at that data in further videos. Number 5, Bigfoot sightings. Yes, from the Bigfoot Research Organization. So this data is available through the Living Atlas, and on this channel we've looked at various states in the United States and Ontario, Canada. When we've looked at the locations, not only the locations, but there's links to or descriptions in the data that link to the BFRO website that have more detailed sightings and accounts. So this is very interesting information, and there's thousands of sightings across North America. Number 4, current wildfires. Yeah, this data is very interesting and up to date and interactive. You can click on it and it provides live fires for across North America. Very interesting data, and again, I use the Streets at Night base map to contrast with the symbology of the fires in this case. And I've made a video on this data so you can go back and have a look at that video if you would like to. Number 3, NOAA weather radar and wind speeds. So this is 2 data sets in the Living Atlas. So you have the Nexrad data, which is weather data from NOAA updated every 15 minutes. And on this screen, as you can see, to the right, you'd see the red would be the heaviest rainfall, yellow would be the next heaviest, green, and then blue would be light. So we have a video on how to access this information and how to symbolize it and bring it into ArcGIS Pro, and also the wind speed data, which basically just shows the directions of the wind and the speed of the wind too. So very interesting data, very useful, and yeah, I enjoyed that layer. 3D buildings, I have video on this. 3D buildings of Rotterdam, made by ESRI Netherlands, and this was like the textures on these buildings and the level of detail is just really outstanding, and I was very impressed with this. And the speed of the system when it's loaded into ArcGIS Pro, I was quite impressed with. My laptop is not a really fast laptop, and it worked really well. And you can navigate through the city and have a look at different buildings. And when combined with the imagery, the world imagery, you get a really nice 3D effect for the city. Number 1, live earthquake data from the USGS. Yeah, so this, I haven't made a video on this yet. This will be an upcoming video. So it's world earthquake data live, and you can interactive. You can click on point and see details about the magnitude of the earthquake, the location, the date and the time, and if there's a tsunami alerts. So very, very interesting. That is the number 1 streamed content that I've picked. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any other feature services that you enjoy seeing and using, please post down below, and maybe I can make a video on those ones. Thank you.